Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury and off-road power with the 2026 Brabus 6x6 Motorhome. A bold combination of performance and opulence, this machine redefines what it means to travel in style. Let's take a closer look at how Brabus has transformed the concept of a motorhome into a rolling fortress of sophistication and strength. Step inside and you're greeted with an ultra-luxurious cabin wrapped in hand-stitched Nappa leather and carbon fiber trim. The interior combines rugged functionality with first-class comfort. The living area includes a massive 55-inch OLED display, a premium Burmester 3D sound system, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. The kitchen area is a chef's dream, featuring a smart induction cooktop, dual refrigerators, and a built-in espresso machine. The master suite comes with a king-size memory foam bed and panoramic skylight, while the bathroom boasts a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and gold-accented fixtures, turning every journey into a five-star experience on wheels. Moving to the exterior, the 2026 Brabus 6x6 Motorhome is an absolute showstopper. Built on a rugged six-wheel platform inspired by Brabus's legendary off-roaders, this vehicle exudes dominance. Its muscular body design, forged carbon accents, and aggressive LED lighting signature give it an unmistakable road presence. The matte black paint finish combined with Brabus badging and 22-inch forged alloy wheels completes the iconic look. The rear section features a hydraulic expanding deck, perfect for outdoor lounging, while the reinforced carbon fiber panels ensure both durability and lightness. Whether you're parked at a luxury resort or deep in the desert, this 6x6 commands attention everywhere it goes. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Brabus 6x6 Motorhome is nothing short of a powerhouse. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 6.3-liter V12 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower and 1,100 newton-meters of torque. This behemoth can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds, astonishing for a vehicle of its size. It comes equipped with a reinforced adaptive suspension system, off-road differential locks, and advanced all-terrain tires, allowing it to conquer rocky trails, snow, and sand with ease. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, while the intelligent drive assist suite makes maneuvering this massive machine surprisingly effortless. Now let's discuss the price. The 2026 Brabus 6x6 Motorhome sits at the very top of the luxury spectrum, with a starting price of around $1.2 million. This figure reflects not just its unmatched craftsmanship, but also the cutting-edge engineering and exclusivity that come with the Brabus name. Each unit is hand-built to order, with fully customizable interiors and performance upgrades available for those who desire even more personalization. While it's certainly not for the faint of wallet, it's a dream come true for those seeking the ultimate blend of off-road dominance and luxury living. Owning a Brabus 6x6 Motorhome isn't just about mobility, it's about prestige, power, and a statement of success. To sum up, the 2026 Brabus 6x6 Motorhome is an engineering marvel that merges luxury, power, and adventure into one extraordinary package. From its handcrafted interior to its beastly V12 engine, it embodies the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Whether you're exploring mountain passes, coastal highways, or desert dunes, this motorhome guarantees an experience like no other. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.